arbitrationagreements.org. In today's rapidly changing business world, conflict is inevitable, but it doesn't have to lead to drawn-out court battles. In fact, many companies and individuals now turn to a method known as arbitration to resolve their disputes. Arbitration is a type of alternative dispute resolution where a neutral third party, the arbitrator, makes a decision about a dispute. This decision is typically binding for both parties. It's somewhat like a private court proceeding, but less formal and often faster. Before we go over what an arbitration agreement is, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. So, what's an arbitration agreement? An arbitration agreement is a written contract in which two or more parties agree to settle a dispute outside of court. The agreement usually includes provisions detailing the structure of the arbitration, including the rules under which it will occur, the location, and the selection of the arbitrator. These agreements are used extensively in a variety of contexts, from employment contracts to consumer agreements. In fact, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, as many as 53% of all credit card agreements include an arbitration clause, highlighting its widespread use. The rationale behind these agreements? Well, they can be more efficient than traditional litigation. The average time to reach a decision in arbitration is only a fraction of how long federal court cases take. In fact, federal cases can take an average of almost 2 years or more to resolve. Additionally, the proceedings in arbitration are private, which can be a significant advantage in sensitive cases where parties prefer to keep their disputes out of the public eye. Because of advantages like these, the use of arbitration agreements is rising. As business becomes increasingly global and disputes more complex, these agreements offer a viable option for swift and confidential resolution. If you want to learn more information about arbitration agreements, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration agreements? Does it seem simple or complicated to insert an agreement into a contract? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.